FOMC rate cut 2025 preview. 25 BPS expected? Data, Trump pressure, and market bets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching FOMC rate cut September 2025 preview or Fed interest rate decision today, this video has your ultimate guide. From CNBC's breaking report, the Federal Reserve's FOMC is deciding on rates Wednesday, September 18, 2025, with markets betting big on a 25 basis point cut to 4.25% to 4.5%. Amid softening jobs data and tariff inflation fears, it's a high-stakes call. If you're an investor or tracking the economy, subscribe and comment. 25 BPS cut or bigger, which do you predict? Let's break down the expectations, key data, expert takes, and what it means for your money. Starting now, the stage is set for Wednesday. The FOMC meeting wraps at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, followed by Chair Jerome Powell's presser. Markets are pricing a 25 BPS cut with 70% odds via CME FedWatch tool. This will be the first since December 2024, easing from 5.25% to 5.5%. Why now? Labor market cooling and producer prices dipping, but Trump's tariff threats add inflation risk. Versus last year's hikes, 2025's pivot feels urgent. Tip, tune into CNBC Live at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Powell's tone will move markets. Viewer hook. Imagine rates dropping and your loan payments shrinking. Pause and picture that relief. What's your first financial win from a cut? Economic data driving the call. August jobs added 142,000, but revisions slashed prior months by 818,000. BLS now says 1.7 million fewer jobs from March 2023 to March 2025. Unemployment at 4.2%, private hiring slowing. Public sector jobs now 20% of ads. PPI fell 0.1% monthly, but rose 2.6% yearly. Cooling but sticky. Goldman Sachs' David Miracle. That plot might signal 2 cuts for the rest of 2025, not 3. Versus June's no cut. September's data screams action. Pro tip. Check BLS revisions report. It's eye-opening. Retention question. Jobs revisions or PPI? Which data point surprises you most? Share below. Expert opinions are split. BNY's John Velas. The dual mandate, employment and inflation, is in tension with political pressure growing. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent called for a fulsome cut, echoing Trump's ex-post. Cut rates now and bigger. New Fed Governor Stephen Miron, Trump's appointee, might dissent for larger cuts. Waller, Bowman, too. Art Hogan from B. Riley. Powell will sound pragmatic but dovish, defending full employment. Versus 2024's hawkish Powell, 2025 softer. Fun fact. Trump's influence is unprecedented. First elected leader invited twice to UK by a monarch. Viewer question, Powell dovish or hawkish? Which tone do you expect? Market bets and implications. CME tool shows 70% odds for 25 BPS, 25% for 50 BPS. Stocks could rally. S&P up 1.2% on rumors. Dollar weakens versus euro, boosting exports. For you, cheaper mortgages rates to 6%, but watch tariff inflation. Versus 2020 cuts, this is measured. Pro tip. Refi if rates dip below 6.5%. Save thousands. Retention hook. Picture your portfolio soaring post-cut. Pause and envision the gains. Ready buy. In summary, FOMC's 25 BPS cut is likely. Jobs revisions and PPI drive it, but Trump tariffs loom. Bullish for growth? Who's adjusting investments? Like if this preview empowered you. Sub for market tips. Share. Thanks. Stay ahead.